Why does your scanner show the P0108 engine code? What does it mean? P0108 is a diagnostic trouble code for manifold absolute pressure, CHACH barometric pressure sensor circuit, high input. This error code indicates a malfunction with the manifold absolute pressure or barometric pressure sensor circuit, specifically a high input voltage. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty MAP sensor, vacuum leaks, wiring issues, clogged catalytic converter. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1999. It is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota, Peugeot, Honda, Volkswagen, Vauxhall, and Mazda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.